Welcome to our first long format booth transformation video. Today's guest is Jackie Levin. She actually won our giveaway back in December, and we are using this opportunity to showcase her entire booth transformation. This is what her booth looked like beforehand. And I love all the pops of color being drowned out by things that aren't bringing the value to art up.
It's wrinkly too.
It's not long enough either. I like how you can walk up to the booth, engage with the artist. So having a space that kind of invites a little bit of conversation. And here we are transforming the booth with vertical ledge pieces. You can see side by side what we've done with her booth. We've taken it from a simple front-facing booth to a walk-in booth with 3 walls and 3 distinct different spaces. We've got areas for her postcards to shine and sitting upwards so people can actually see them. We've also got some art prints in acrylic boxes so you can see those as well. One of the funny things that we noticed is I used these soap bars to kind of bring some of those prints up a little bit forward. Here you can kind of see the full booth from afar. I really liked how you could get all her art on the wall, and here you have a really fun little area where you can keep your personal belongings behind the shelves that aren't being used. And I hope you enjoyed this. Can't wait to show you the next one.